When it comes to creating eye-catching Halloween decorations, few projects are as fun and personal as carving your own spooky wooden signs. Whether you want to add a chilling message like haunted or etch mysterious symbols such as pentagrams, using our USA-made Carbide burr die grinder tool bits makes the process not only easy, but also incredibly precise and satisfying. Let's dive into how you can use our Carbide burr tool bits to transform ordinary wood into hauntingly beautiful Halloween signage. First, select a flat wooden board as your canvas. Pine, cedar, or reclaimed barnwood all work exceptionally well for this type of project. Once you've chosen your wood, lightly sand the surface to remove rough patches and ensure your design adheres smoothly. Now it's time to sketch your design. Use a pencil to outline the word or symbol you want to carve. Perhaps you'll go with a classic haunted, beware, or even a stylized pentagram. This guide helps you stay on track as you carve and gives you the freedom to tweak your layout before committing to the final design. Next comes the fun part, carving with our Carbide burr die grinder tool bits. Attach the pointed burr to your die grinder. Our USA-made Carbide burrs are engineered for durability, sharpness, and precision, making them ideal for intricate wood carving projects. The pointed burr is perfect for detailed lines, sharp corners, and tight curves, allowing you to follow your penciled design with ease. Power on your die grinder and gently begin tracing the outlines of your design. Move slowly and steadily, letting the Carbide burr do the work. For straight lines or the edges of letters, keep your hand steady and guide the tool along the pencil lines. For curves or complex symbols like pentagrams, use light, controlled movements to maintain accuracy. The superior hardness and sharp edge of our Carbide burrs slice cleanly through wood fibers, leaving crisp, defined lines without splintering or burning the wood. If you want to add an extra touch of depth and dimension to your sign, use the burr to widen certain areas or to create beveled edges along the letters and symbols. This not only makes the design stand out visually, but also adds a tactile, handcrafted feel to your sign. For finer details or to clean up tight spots, switch to a narrower or more pointed burr, which is also available in our product range. Once you've completed the carving, brush away any wood dust and inspect your work. At this stage, you might want to sand the carved areas lightly to smooth out any roughness, or leave them as is for a more rustic, weathered look, perfect for Halloween. To make your design pop, consider staining or painting the recessed areas in a contrasting color, or use a dark wash to enhance the spooky effect. Our USA-made Carbide burrs are designed for longevity, so you can carve multiple signs or tackle a variety of other woodworking projects without worrying about wear and tear. They're also easy to clean. Simply wipe them down after use to keep them sharp and ready for your next creative endeavor. So, whether you're making a haunted house entrance, a witch's lair door sign, or just adding a touch of Halloween spirit to your home, our Carbide burr die grinder tool bits are your go-to accessory for detailed, professional-looking results. If you enjoyed learning about this project and want more tips, tricks, and inspiration for your holiday crafts, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And we'd love to hear your Halloween ideas. Leave your spookiest sign messages or carving tips in the comments below. Happy haunting and happy carving.